We get asked these questions often. Why do we still invest in property? And why should we invest in property? We always answer these questions with the same answers. Look at some of the richest individuals in the world, and they'll either have made their money through property or have invested their money in property as their investment vehicle of choice. And it's the same reason we invest in property personally. We see property as a safe place to invest our wealth long term in comparison to other investment methods. Many individuals ask us why now? Why is now a good time to invest in property? We're going to summarise why we think now is an excellent time to get into property. The population is growing. More people on the planet means more homes are required. Demand for property has never been higher. We've seen a shift to renting longer term. The younger generation favours renting, whether that's to allow them the freedom to follow their career or to go travelling. Many young professionals also can't afford to buy a property. Leverage. When you buy a property, you only need to put down a deposit. Therefore, every pound you put in, you can borrow 3 times this from the bank. This is important when we look at capital growth over time, as you benefit from the capital growth on the total property price rather than just growth on the equity you hold in the property. No other investment vehicle can match this. You can make money when you buy. If you secure a property at below market value, you're technically making money when you buy the property. For example, if we buy a property worth £200,000 but we only pay £180,000 for it, we've already gained £20,000 of equity in the property. Timing. No matter what the market is doing, so long as you buy smart, you should get into property now. There will always be political issues, crashes in the market looming, etc. So long as you're prepared to hold your property long term, you will always grow your wealth regardless of when you get into the market. Tax changes, Section 24. The government brought in a new law that means that anyone with rental properties will no longer be able to claim their mortgage payments as a tax-deductible expense if they own them personally. Many landlords are realising their rental properties are starting to cost them money and are keen to sell them quickly and for a low price. This presents a great opportunity for investors. Pensions. Many people are starting to realise their pension is not going to allow them to live the life they've dreamed of, let alone cover their current cost of living. Property can be used to create passive income for retirement, and many of our clients are in property specifically for retirement income. If you're self-employed or have a limited company, you could utilise your pension fund via a SaaS pension type to build your property portfolio. We'll have a video on our YouTube channel explaining the benefits of SaaS pensions in property, and I'll link to it at the end of this video. Finally, savings accounts. We've had so many clients reaching out to us to start their property journey with 50,000 plus in their savings accounts. These savings accounts might be making them 1% annually at best. Imagine if you could get 7 to 9% per year, year on year, not to mention capital growth over time. It's really a no-brainer. Get your money to work harder for you. We hope this blog has been useful in highlighting why now is the best time to get into property. The benefits are life-changing. Click the button below to book a call and find out how we can help you on your property journey.